Hello my friends, this is Judy. Welcome back. If you are a first-time visitor, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I'm going to share with you some mini diamond dots or diamond paintings that I purchased from Tuesday morning. So if there's a Tuesday morning by you and you are a big fan of diamond paintings, they have diamond paintings in the house. They had some super big ones, but I fell in love with these smaller ones. Now these are 5.3 by 5.3 is the design size, but the fabric itself, and I'll show you one because I did complete one, is bigger than that. The fabric with the key is 7.3 by 7.3, but once you complete your diamond painting and you cut out just the designer area, it's 5.3 by 5.3. So it's a pretty nice size, and they had all kinds of, I'm going to say the ones I saw were Christmas themed. So let me show you the ones I got, and then I'm going to show you the one I completed. So they had this super cute little reindeer one. This is the one that I completed, and I will show you that in a minute. They also had the Christmas wreath. How cute is that? Love this. They had a snowflake. Really pretty. And they also had Santa. Now my Tuesday morning also had a couple of Christmas ornaments. One was mainly red, the other one mainly blue. They had a Christmas angel. They also had a Christmas tree, and they had a Christmas star with like a Santa hat off, like tilted on one of the points of the star. So I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about these kits once I started them, so I did not pick up the others, and I regret that now, but c'est la vie. Maybe next time I go back to Tuesday morning, I'll see if they're still there, but if they're not, that's okay. I got the 4 that I really wanted to try. Now this Reindeer Rudolph, look at the red-nosed reindeer, absolutely adorable. So the kit comes with, let me show you first of all what the finished one looks like. Here is Rudolph finished. Isn't he gorgeous? Oh my god. And it took me about an hour and a half to finish him, and I did film the entire process. And my husband is going to help me later tonight to put the videos together and maybe speed it up so you can see the whole process and not have to sit through an hour and a half of video to do that. And so he's going to help me with that, and I hope to have that posted soon because I absolutely love the way this turned out, and I thought you might enjoy watching the process. Super simple. So this is what I was talking about when I said that you have a design area, but the canvas itself is much larger because you need the key right here to match the little diamond dots to the image. It's like a paint by number, but instead of paint, you're using these tiny little, let me open another one so you can see what it looks like. You get these tiny little diamond dots to fill them in. So let me open the Santa Claus one. I'm sorry, I know it's a lot of crinkling, but I want you to see what you get. So in the kit, you get the canvas. The key's actually printed on the canvas, which is great, so you don't have to worry about losing the key. You get a couple of illustrations on the bottom that can help you to make sure that you're working correctly. It also comes with the little tray. It comes with a pickup pen, and it comes with the wax to help pick up the little diamond dots. And this one, these kits actually come with this little grippy thing. Now I don't use this. It's nice that they provide this, but I don't like this. It doesn't work for me. I don't like that. The whole purpose of that pen is just to give you the ability. So what you're supposed to do is take the pen, dip it in this wax to make the tip sticky so that you can pick up the little diamond circles or dots from the tray. The problem is that eventually that wax does lose its stick. So what I do is I just use a pickup stick. Now this is I believe this is used by people who do nail art so that you can pick up the small confetti and small decorations and all that you would apply to nail art. So here you have basically almost like a stylus, and on each end is a sticky little nub. You have a much larger nub on one side, and on the other you have a smaller nub. This is what I use. I usually use this in my crafting when I'm placing sequins or anything smaller that it's kind of difficult to work with when you have, you know, thick little hands like I do. So this allows you to pick up items. Here I still have a little I found a diamond dot sitting on my desk. So there's the little diamond dot, and what I would do is just use this to pick up. See? Can we see that? To pick up the diamond dot and then place it onto the canvas. Now the canvas itself, for those who are not familiar with diamond paintings, basically has an adhesive that is going to help the diamonds stick to. So what you're doing is peeling back a plastic layer that comes over the canvas and exposing that adhesive and sticking the diamond dots on top of it. You know, so again, kind of like a paint by numbers, but you're using these cute, super shiny, sparkling diamond dots to get it done. So it took me, as I said, about an hour and a half to complete this one. And I took one little break, which is why I have two videos. I worked for about an hour, then I had a break for dinner, and I came back and worked for about another 25 minutes. And this is awesome. What I intend on doing with these, two projects in mind. One is for a Christmas journal. It would be super cute to cut this out and sew it onto a page in a journal, or use it as a cover in a journal. Or you can alternatively make cards with these. How awesome would it be to cut this out and make this the front of a card? Not an A2 size card, obviously, right? Because you have a 5.3 by 5.3 canvas area. It'll be a larger card, but such an awesome card. What a special card that would be to gift someone. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use each of these once they're completed to make a card. I might have to go back and get at least one more Rudolph, because I would love to have Rudolph on my Christmas journal. I would love for him to be in there somewhere, but I only bought one and I already have plans to make a card with this one. So I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was super cute, and the price is really great, $4.99, and everything you need is in the kit, and they work really, really well. The stick on the canvas is great. You get all the tools you need. But I mean, if you're a big fan of doing diamond painting or diamond art, then I would, and you know, it's something you do regularly, I would suggest get a stylus like this. Certainly makes it easier. You don't have to fuss with the wax, which becomes problematic after a while. Yeah, I'm going to, like I said, I filmed the process. My husband's going to help me edit the video, I hope. And I will have that posted, hopefully at about the same time that this one goes up, so that you can see the process yourself. So that's my share with you, my friends. I just wanted to put these out there because I know we have a lot of fans of diamond painting out here. And you can go to your Tuesday morning and find them. They had some really large canvases, like Halloween themed. Yeah, I don't have room for those, so I didn't pick them up, but it was tempting. They were $20, and it said like they were originally priced, I think, like $40 or I don't know, some obscene amount of money, but when my Tuesday morning had them for, I think it was $19.99 if I recall correctly. Yeah, I paused for about a second and quickly realized, Jeannie, you don't have any room for that. Stop it. But I do definitely have room for these little cute ones. So go check it out if there's a Tuesday morning by you. I don't think you'll regret it. Thank you, my friends, for stopping by. I truly do appreciate it. And I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.